This is WWJ Whipping with Joe from the island of Kauai, Hawaii. Anyway, I got some people who ask me like how I sharpen my hooks. I don't normally do the sharpening of the hooks, but I normally change them. But you know, sometimes you look at them and they're maybe bent and all that, so um, it's good to get like a knife sharpener. I don't really have one. I use a Cutco. This is what I use for my grilling and all that. My Fisherman Solutions. It's about maybe $80, $90. Lifetime warranty. I love it actually. Can extend the blade to make my fillets. Yeah. That's what happens when you got water in it. But anyway, this is my knife here. This is what I use. So it's cut my fish and all that. And then it's also got a sharpener. And it works very well actually. So I don't normally carry this, but this is inside my car, so I can sharpen it. And so basically, I'm going to sharpen this one. This is the mullet. I call it the mullet. I've already sharpened this portion here. Basically, you got to make sure that they're not bent over on the inside. Because if they're bent, I get a small little long nose plier and I squeeze them so you can bend them back out to make it straight. You don't want it curved down or curved up. You want to make it like straight. And then what I do is I do this. You can take the hook off if you want to, but I don't, because the hooks are easy to manage in this way. Just gotta be careful you don't hook yourself. And I hold it in my left hand, my right arm. And what I do is I put the pressure, and there's 3 places I make. One the side here, middle, and then left side. And I do 20 of them, up and down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Can you get in the middle side? 2, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 10, 20 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 20. Okay, that's good. So then you look at, see if it's sharp. And of course, if it's not sharp, then you keep on going, rotating it and try to make it sharper. This is not sharp. You just got to stick to your finger. So we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then check it again. Nope, it's getting there. It's almost sticky. And we'll do it a couple more times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Okay, let's see. Yep, there we go. Getting there. We're getting there. Getting there. Good one last time here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you make sure like this is like a 20-degree angle. You don't want to be sharpening it like so. It's got to be like, this would be 45 here, so about 20 degrees. So you don't mess the tip. So okay. Yeah, one's sticking now. So we'll do this one here now, the second portion here. So the other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that one will stick. That one will stick. That one here. Okay, see what will it stick. Let's go to the first one again. Let's do a little bit more. A little bit more. Yeah. do a little bit more. This is the flat portion, yes. And the flat portion there. Okay, that'd be good. And then all I'll do now, you get the spray can, aluminum chrome from Ace, and then just spray it, make it silver. And then we've got another orca or a mullet to use. Anyway, again, this is WWJ from the Kauai, Hawaii. Aloha. We're sharpening hooks here with Fisherman Solution Cutco lifetime warranty blade. Aloha.